second. Yeah, that'll save you some time.
I gotta get in for the big trip. Now I don't wanna lose no goddamn 2 seconds.
Alright, so right here I was giving the four-wheeler the finger, and as his truck passed by, he probably thought I was sticking it out to him. Alright, so I was coming up to this four-wheeler in the middle lane. I was trying to pass him now because I've been sitting behind him for a while. And then they want to speed up now. But then you see this four-wheeler to the right, the white one behind him, an Explorer. He gets all pissed because I ruined his 100-mile-an-hour speeding session. Look what he does next. Fucking idiot. And a mile later, he's on his phone, probably talking to the cops.
Hello? Hello, 911. I would like to report a truck that just slowed me down. I was going 120 miles an hour. I just lost a second on my time. Please come get it, please.
Alright, so then I took the next exit and I stopped on the shoulder. I caught the cops on his ass. I tried to explain what happened, and I don't know, I tried to give them the license plate number and they hung up on me, so fuck, I never called back, man.
Excuse me, everybody, is my extra right here. We just turned on my signal. Slow down everybody else. Thank you.
Ha! Whoa.
Right here, I was just letting this pickup truck get in front of me while they wash. This four-wheeler to the left just is an illegal U-turn. And then here comes a four-wheeler exiting last second. They claim to can save minutes doing this, but you're actually saving zeros though. Dummies. Here I was switching lanes, but here comes this van just coming in hot. All of a sudden just press on the brakes because they want to exit. Should even fucking right lane if we can exit. Haha, he misses exit. What a dummy.
I ain't got time for these.
No more land of things. I ain't got time to be behind the truck. Hell yeah, it just saved me another 0 seconds. Oh yeah, just saved me 0 seconds passing this truck. Oh, exit 15? Oh yeah, that's me right here. Excuse me.
Let me just set my cruise control to 40 under the limit and cruise in one of the left lanes.
I ain't got time for this.